Hello! Today I will show you how to easily cool down M.2 SSD drive using SSD Docking Station and a standard computer case fan. Let's connect the SSD drive and start reading data from it. SSD gets hot during operation. The temperature is around 50 degrees Celsius and is rising. Now let's take a standard computer case fan and place it in front of the SSD drive docking station. Let's turn on the fan and measure the temperature. The temperature immediately dropped to around 30 degrees Celsius. I hope you will apply this method in your work. Thank you for watching.